Do you continue to suffer from the same reoccurring skin issues and been wanting to try a natural skincare routine, but feel that it may be too costly and too time consuming? Well, get ready to grab your keys, grab your purse, and head down to your local Walmart because I have 6 ingredients that can replace your old skincare routine and it's just under $40. So stay tuned while I take you through the steps to build an all natural skincare routine by me, Talisha Lynn. Hi guys, welcome to the Alisi Naturals YouTube channel where your skin is nourished by nature. I am Talisha Lynn and I am here today with the message titled 6 of my top natural ingredients to help you get started with a natural skincare routine. So I am often asked, why is it that natural skincare costs so much more than over the counter or regular skincare? And my answer is the same every time, and it is because of the ingredients. It's just like ordering a salad from a takeout restaurant versus a hamburger from a fast food restaurant. You're going to pay way more for the salad than you do the hamburger because of the nutritional value and the effort that's involved with preparing that salad. Well, it's the same concept with natural skincare. There's a whole lot more effort and money involved when preparing these products. So what I wanted to do is to come up with a way for everyone to enjoy the benefits of natural skincare without money being a barrier from experiencing these benefits. So I came up with 6 ingredients, and you can get all of these ingredients at Walmart for under $40. I promise you. I actually did the research myself, and yes, each one of these products contribute to one step of the skincare routine that you use, and they cost under $10. When I began my natural skincare journey a few years ago, my skin was unbearable with rashes from eczema breakouts. I was dealing with constant acne breakouts. It was extremely difficult to deal with. So guys, it comes down to 2 options when making that decision to switch to a natural skincare routine. The first option is to make your own skincare products. And this is what I say is the best option. It's the option that I started with. I began making my own skincare products and I loved it because I always had some ingredients on hand to whip up a quick batch, or I could use my products interchangeably, meaning that something that I made for my feet, I can use on my hands. Or if I made some skincare for my entire body, I can also use it in my hair. So that was one of the great things about making my own products. Now you have the second option, which is buying your skincare products naturally. And you can do this at a local market like a Whole Food or something in your area, or you can go online and find a reputable seller like myself and purchase natural skincare products. But either way, you're going to get some great benefits. And today I want to make it easier for you to purchase natural skincare products if you don't have the time to make your own. Now let's begin. So my natural skincare routine is comprised of 6 steps: the makeup removal, cleanser, the exfoliator, spot treatment, toner, and moisturizer. The first step in this routine is to remove all makeup, which should be done every night right before bedtime. Now, my number one top ingredient for removing makeup is sweet almond oil. Not only is sweet almond oil good for removing makeup, it also acts as a natural cleanser. This oil can also be used in step 2, a double cleanse. It is also non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. It replenishes dull skin, repairs dry skin, And lastly, it removes dead skin cells and impurities that may clog your pores. So I was able to find this 2-ounce bottle of Bologna sweet almond oil, and you can purchase this at Walmart for only $6.17. Step number 2, a double cleanse. This process is defined as cleaning your skin twice in the morning and twice again in the evening. It's best to choose a oil-based cleanser like a sweet almond oil and also a water-based cleanser like a Castile soap. Now, I absolutely love a good Castile soap. It is all natural and vegetable based, and it can be purchased as a bar or in liquid form. It's safe for sensitive skin, naturally hydrating, helps with acne, and is non-toxic. So I came up with a simple Castile soap face recipe. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of Castile soap with 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup of witch hazel, and 10 drops of tea tree oil. And again, you can purchase this soap at Walmart for a low price of $9.87. Moving along to step number 3 is exfoliation. This occurs once you wash or rub with a granular substance to remove dead cells from the surface of your skin. It could be done with charcoal, coffee, a sponge, or any other granular substance that you choose to remove dead skin cells. I absolutely love to exfoliate with a charcoal mask mix. It works great on my combination skin. It also absorbs oils, reduces impurities, and reduces acne. Now, if you suffer from dry skin, it's best to choose an exfoliant that has hydrating ingredients such as jojoba oil, olive oil, and avocados, and it should be used once a week or bi-weekly. And if you have oily skin, it's best to choose a exfoliant that has absorbing ingredients such as a bentonite clay or a kaolin clay. And this activated charcoal can be purchased at Walmart for $6.99. I've included a easy charcoal mask recipe that includes water, bentonite clay, activated charcoal, raw honey, and some essential oils. I'll leave it in the comment section at the end of the video. Step number 4, face toner. One of the best ways to rejuvenate and restore your skin is with a good old-fashioned bottle of witch hazel. Witch hazel can come in 2 forms, either with alcohol or alcohol-free. Thayer's all-natural witch hazel is a great option for toning your skin, and you can get it at Walmart just for $6.82. Now we are at step number 5, a spot treatment. I've always suffered from acne, and I used to feel helpless because there was no preventative measure that I could take to help prevent an acne breakout from happening. So once I got a pimple, it was nothing that I could do until I found out about tea tree oil. I have oily skin, so tea tree essential oils are great for preventing my acne breakouts. I simply apply a small amount to my pinky finger and gently rub it in the area where I feel the slightest bit of acne irritation. Now, I strongly encourage you to do a patch test on your skin first prior to applying this because it is undiluted and it may irritate your skin if you're not using the carrier oil with it. Tea tree essential oils are great because it's considered the 911 of all essential oils. It has antiseptic properties, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's antibacterial. This is available at Walmart for $6.88. Last but definitely not the least, step number 6, a all-natural moisturizing face oil. Trying to find the perfect skin oil or skin cream that fits your skin type is not an easy task. So this is why jojoba oil is my favorite choice for moisturizing my skin. It's great because it has antibacterial properties. It can reduce eczema and fade fine lines and wrinkles. And the best part is that it boosts skin's natural glow. And this 2-ounce size bottle can be purchased at Walmart by Hollywood Beauty just for $2.99. As promised, if you take a quick look into our shopping cart, you can see that we have 6 all natural ingredients, all under $10 a piece, giving us a grand total of $39.42 for a new all natural skincare routine. And most importantly, it's recommended that you should apply a sunscreen with SPF 30 during the day. It's said that jojoba oil does contain some sunblock properties like antioxidants and vitamin E. However, it is not enough for full sunblock protection. It's best to purchase an all natural sunscreen that contains SPF 30 and zinc oxide. At my company, AliciNaturals.com, we do formulate a 100% natural face moisturizer that contains zinc oxide. If you would like to make a purchase, please visit www.aliciNaturals.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Alici Natural Skincare channel if you want to see more of my how-to videos on switching to and maintaining a natural skincare routine. Bye-bye.